Hello everybody, what's up? Dennis Allen, City Boy Homesteader here. I am at Bikes and Breakfast today. A lot of those bikes, but I'm here for those bikes. I took my Suzuki out for some coffee and some breakfast, and we're going to check out some bikes. A lot of Harleys. It's all blacked out. Another Harley. Ducati. BMWs. Whoa, look at this bad boy. No idea what that is. Oh, BMW. Okay. That's cool, so. That thing's badass. I don't like it.
Well, they probably know that guy's market. Right into the turbo wild.
That's crazy.
BMW RR in the end? Is that yours?
Yeah, sure.
2 hours in the saddle. Good.
Oh yeah, I built that saddle. Oh, baited. Yeah.
Ducati. Got the music on, someone called him an asshole.
Keep find somebody else's bike.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, that's me. Had to move my bike. So there's my bike.
Maybe that's sold out. Oh, I gotta go with you? No, you gotta come with me.
Oh, that's what I need. Oh shit, that's cool.
Yeah, so the first stop on
A lot of cool bikes.
So yeah, that is
Sportster? I don't think so. A lot of stuff. A lot of cool stuff. Basically, it's very nice. Is that yours? No.
That's pretty much it. BMW. Cool Ducati. And that. So that's like a glider. That's like a real airplane. That was easy. That's cool. I like the old vintage stuff. Doing a little riding underneath the George Washington Bridge. I used to come back this way all the time when I used to work up that way. Instead of taking the turnpike, I'd come out through the parkway, drive through here, empty out on the New York side. Man, it's so beautiful over here. Not the country, but a better place to be in the city. Right across is New York City. This is the George Washington Bridge. It's pretty spectacular. quick, show you underneath the bridge. You have metered parking in effect, even though you're not supposed to be here without a boat. That's where the ducks hang out. Trying to do this with one hand. Can I make it? Oh, there we go. We made it. Underneath George Washington Bridge, folks. It's pretty cool. Definitely illegal. Driving over here, the road said only people with boats, but I got a boat. There's a person in that little booth that I guess takes tolls if you want to walk or swim across the bridge. That's pretty cool. She's got her own porta-john that's tied up with ropes to a rock in case it floods. We've got jet skis coming in here. Oh, speaking of jet skis. And I don't think they charge you to drop off a boat. That's pretty cool. Just drop it off here in Hudson and enjoy the day. Pretty spectacular. Do say so myself. I don't think we're gonna make it up the hill. Maybe. We'll stop for barbecuing. Oh, more bikes. That's the Palisades Cliff. I used to live on that in Jersey City. This cliff goes all along the Hudson, and I used to live on top of it. Pretty nice view up there. Oh, my bike is chugging. Chug-a-lug-a-lug. I got nothing but butter in my harbor. Alright, we were just down there. There's the cliff. Taking a little ride to the park. Share the road. I think I ran out of gas. Yep, this is my commute every day when I worked in Orangeburg. Alrighty. A little slow for no hands, but yeah, it's picking up. Woo! Wibbly wobblies. This is one of the spots I used to come and do a little meditating and chilling before work. Right here along the Hudson. Can't really get much closer. That's Hudson water. There's my bike. That's Yonkers. That's, I mean, I think the bridge comes out at about 125th Street, I think. I don't know if that's right. But definitely in the hundreds. I think Yonkers starts here. Oh, that, I don't know if you can see it. Let's see. So I'm pretty sure that that's Grant's tomb somewhere up there. Pretty darn sure that's it. I know it was somewhere. Oh no, that's the cloisters. That's a really famous museum. So that might be Grant's tomb. I forget. It's somewhere along this cliff here. Whoa, you can't even see. That's better. More motorcycles. George Washington Bridge is there. There's motorcycles. Yeehaw. So when I worked in Florida, I worked for a marina, and we used to drive one of these things. Actually, it was a little bit bigger than this one. But you want to see something funny about these tires? Look how fast this thing goes. Let's see, where is it? Usually, they used to have a speed rating of like 200 miles an hour. Anyway, they don't have it, but you could see aircraft tires. This is what they put on big airplanes. So you can imagine this would have to go very, very fast. But ironically, it's on probably one of the slowest things out there. So doing a little cruising, and I don't know where he lived, somewhere over here or there, but came by to see my buddy Jeffrey Crooms, my homeboy from the old Verizon days. Got to talk to him on the phone, doing a little more reminiscing. I thought I'd post this because he's gonna probably watch this video, and I want to say what's up, Jeff. Used to go jogging with my love Marilyn in that park. Oh shit, I gotta go. One of the nicest rides in the area. So I guess you can't see it. If you just keep taking Hudson straight up more, can you see it? No. George Washington going down. This is Manhattan. That's, I forget what that chunk is, but these things were never there. This was used to be all just like old ports and junkyards and shipyards and stuff like that. Let's see, what street? That's the World Trade Center. Oh, there's 34th Street, the Empire State Building. So this is probably about Times Square. Oh, there's the Intrepid. Can you see the Intrepid? That's the Intrepid. There's some submarines next to it. I think over there. Hopefully you can see them. Pretty cool. I got to see that thing floating down the Hudson. It was going backwards, but they restored it many years ago, and they brought it out to Bayonne, and I got to see that. I also got to see that airplane. I didn't see it landing in the water, but I saw it the day it happened. I was actually somewhere over there. I was in Times Square, and we heard about it crashing, and then I drove by, saw it. I took the ferry a couple times. It was parked way down there. Got to see that. Got to see 9/11 happen. That wasn't fun, but man, this is always cool up here. I think I came out here for fireworks one year. Pretty good. Yeah. All right, Jeffrey Crooms having a drink. I don't know if my friend still owns it, but I used to hang out with the owner of this place. He also had one in Hoboken.